We're now going to link and test the form and report. And we start off by going to Forms. We go to our Forms and we go down to Confirmations. And this default confirmation should be set up as a redirect. And look carefully at the format of the URL. After the backslash, you've got assessment results, which is the name of the page. Then you've got backslash entry backslash and then a merge code with entry underscore ID in it. What that will do is ensure that when the submit button is pressed on the form, it will move straight to the single entry view that we configured earlier. I'll demonstrate that in a minute, but look very carefully and make sure that you configure it for your particular website name, your particular assessments results page, and the rest should follow what we have here. So you're just about there. The next thing to do is to go to the views, and we're going to set up the permissions. So this was the one that we were working on here. You're very familiar with this. We've been through all of this. Just check down here, multiple entries. Don't think there's anything changing there. Under the single entry, you can set up this single entry title, which is a lovely touch. It means that at the very top of the page, it says immediately it's the assessment report for, and then the merge tag. Just a warning, I have noticed this doesn't work with all themes. It seems to work in the core Gutenberg option, but not with Elementor, I've discovered. And if you want to remove this go back link, you simply insert, it's got go back here, simply insert a space in there, and that means it means the link will disappear. The edit entry, I don't think we use this. The delete entry, we didn't do this. The filter and sort. The only thing I think you may want to do here is to add a condition. It's very powerful, the advanced filtering here, and I think this is part of the Gravity View more premium bundle. If you go down here and select the created by is and then the currently logged in user, if that's the way that you want the thing to be configured, that basically ensures that nobody can access their own results unless they're logged in. You won't use that in all circumstances, but I just want to show you that as a handy tip. And finally, permissions. There's other things here that you might want to set up if you want and experiment with those as appropriate. So look, that should now all work. So let's just go back to pages, all pages, and the assessment here. Let's view this. Let's just give it a quick test. So remember, pressing here will take us straight through to the report. And here we are. Here's my assessment report for Ben. I didn't remove that, so the go back is still there, but we can remove that. And then there's all the results. So there you have it. Now, just one bonus thing. You may recall a few lessons ago that we included an index for absolutely everything. What that allows you to do is to monitor the trends over time. If this is a logged in scenario and somebody completes this assessment periodically, you can actually monitor the results they get over time. I'm just going to very quickly show you how to do that. So we're going to go to Dashboard, we're going to go to Charts and Calculations, which is GF Chart. I'm going to add a new one, and I'm going to call this an Assessment Result Trend Report. And this is attached to the Assessment Quiz Trial. I'm going to select the trend, which is a premium add-on. I'm going to, the x-axis is going to be the form submission date, the y-axis, let's submit the overall index. You could do any of the other indices if you wanted to. And I won't worry too much about these for now. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I mean, this isn't particularly beautiful because there's test data and all sorts in there, but what this is basically demonstrating is that you can monitor here the results that people got at different times. You see there, obviously twice on the same day, somebody completed it. But I can imagine in certain scenarios, and there were lots all done on the same day there. Under certain circumstances, this would allow you to monitor the progress you're making against time. Just make the chart a bit broader and see where that looks better. Yeah, there you go. So enjoy, and any questions, hit us up via the help desk.